Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to earn money by playing Candy Crush Saga. While the game itself does not offer direct cash rewards for playing, there are creative ways to leverage your passion. We will explore how to transform your gameplay into a potential income stream. This involves understanding various platforms and strategies to monetize your skills and engagement. Let's dive into the steps to make your Candy Crush hobby financially rewarding through indirect means. The first step involves creating engaging content. Consider starting a YouTube channel or streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch. You can share your strategies for difficult levels, offer helpful tips, or simply entertain viewers with your reactions. Consistency is key. Aim to upload or stream at least 2 to 3 times a week. Building a loyal audience of hundreds or even thousands of viewers will be crucial for monetization. Once you have an established audience, you can begin to monetize. Platforms like YouTube offer ad revenue sharing, typically paying a few dollars per 1,000 views. Twitch allows subscriptions, where viewers pay a monthly fee, with streamers often receiving 50%. You can also explore brand sponsorships, promoting products relevant to your gaming community. Consider selling custom merchandise, like t-shirts or mugs, to dedicated fans for additional income. To ensure long-term success, consistency and engagement are vital. Continue to produce high-quality content regularly, perhaps 3 to 5 videos or streams each week. Actively respond to comments and messages, building a strong community around your channel. Stay updated with new Candy Crush Saga levels and features, incorporating them into your content. This dedication can help you grow your audience to tens of thousands, significantly increasing your earning potential over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.